Our wonderful CSA program allows you to pick and choose the vegetables that you would like to have. Today I picked Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets. In this video, I am slicing off the ends of the Brussels sprouts and peeling off the outer leaves and making sure that each one is perfect. With the carrots, I decided to peel and slice off the ends to get ready for chopping. I'm going to be chopping in 2 different sizes, sliced here thin and then quartered also. This thin preparation is for freezing either for soups or for canning oil carrots. Typically, I do those with garlic. They're really delicious. Typically, what I do with my beets is I either freeze them in different sizes. Today, I'll be doing thin sliced beets. I use those for roasting, or you can can them or pickle them. Today, I went with freezing everything. I did whole Brussels sprouts, halved Brussels sprouts, my sliced beets, and the carrots in 2 preparations. Next, I worked on onions. With these onions, I chose to do them in a diced preparation. Personally, it's just what I use the most, but you can cut your onions in any way that you would like. It's just based off of what size and shape that you use the most in your cooking, and mine just happened to be small diced. Butternut squash is one of the most underrated but most versatile squashes in my opinion. I really enjoy using it, and basically all you do to prepare that is you skin it, you take out the middle, and then you could slice it in any way you like. I chose here to cut it in cubes. Again, that's just my personal preference. It's what I use the most in my kitchen. I'm packing this into Ziploc bags to go into the freezer, the same I did with all of the other vegetables that I showed. I personally really enjoy this. I can just go into the freezer, open that bag, and grab a handful of onions for any stews, stocks, or anything that I'm cooking. Kale is another great vegetable, and it grows really well in our greenhouse throughout the winter. So all I do with the kale is I derib it and cut it into slices. That's my preferred for taking it out of the freezer for soups or stocks or in pastas, things like that. So again, fits perfectly in a plastic bag to go into the freezer. Thank you for watching. For more information, please email farm@dickinson.edu.